happens inside your body when you don't sleep. At first, it doesn't feel like much. You stay awake a little longer, maybe scroll your phone, push through the tiredness. But inside your body, things are already starting to change. Because sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. And without it, the system begins to fall out of balance. Within hours of staying awake, your brain starts to slow down. Neurons don't fire as efficiently. Signals take longer to travel. You might not notice it yet, but your reaction time is already dropping. And then something else begins to build. A chemical called adenosine. It accumulates in your brain the longer you stay awake. The more it builds, the heavier your body starts to feel. This is what creates that overwhelming urge to sleep. But if you ignore it, the pressure keeps rising. Now your attention begins to slip. Simple tasks become harder. Your focus drifts. Your memory starts to weaken because your brain hasn't had time to reset. Normally, during sleep, your brain clears out waste. It removes toxins that build up throughout the day. But now, that process is delayed, and those substances begin to accumulate. Inside your bloodstream, stress hormones start to rise. Cortisol increases. Your body shifts into a more alert, almost defensive state. Your heart rate becomes slightly elevated. Your body is no longer calm. It's working harder than it should. And then your immune system begins to weaken. Cells that normally fight off threats become less effective. Your body becomes more vulnerable. But here's where things get more serious. After longer periods without sleep, your brain begins to experience something unusual: microsleeps. These are brief moments where your brain shuts down for seconds at a time. Even if your eyes are open, even if you think you're awake, for a split second, you're not fully there. And that can be dangerous because your awareness is no longer consistent. Your body is trying to force rest, even if you resist it. As time goes on, your emotions begin to shift. You become more irritable, more sensitive, less stable, because the part of your brain that controls emotions is no longer functioning properly, and your body continues to drift further out of balance. Hormones that regulate hunger are affected. You begin to crave more food, especially high-energy foods. Your metabolism changes. Energy is harder to manage. Everything begins to feel off. And all of this is happening quietly inside you. Now imagine this continues, hour after hour, day after day. The effects begin to stack. Your brain struggles more. Your body weakens. Your system slows down, until eventually it forces you to stop. Because sleep is not optional, it's essential, and your body will always try to restore it. Right now, as you watch this, your body is already preparing for sleep. Signals are being sent, chemicals are being released, processes are getting ready to begin. Because the moment you fall asleep, everything changes again. Repair begins, balance returns, and your system resets, all from something as simple as closing your eyes.